in Accra. Now, the history of Yorubas in Ghana is varied. We have the Accra version, we have the Kumasi version, and we have the Sekendi version. As I mentioned, Sekendi version, I can see Alhaji Raji looking at me. His great-grandfather also was one of the makers of the history of Yorubas in the Gold Coast. His version is that this gentleman came to live in Sekendi as a trader, as part of the fabric of Sekendi. Alhaji Raji. So Accra being the capital, let me dwell on Accra. But before I do that again yet, let me mention a gentleman here who is part of the Ghana Yoruba group, who works with the Department of Town and Country Planning in Tamale. If he's here, can I say him? He is a Yoruba and at the same time a Dagomba man. I met a while ago my senior called Adebayo. I haven't seen him since 1968. He's also a Yoruba and a Dagomba from Tamale. I can see Senior Karimu Young. We used to call him Karimu Young. His daughter set a record at KNUST. Senior Karimu Young, can I see you? Thank you very much. I mean, all these people have contributed to the history of Yorubas in Ghana. When you go to America, there are African Americans. They have been there. So you can easily say we have in our midst Ghanaian Yorubas who are entitled, who are part of this country. Some of them haven't fought for this country in the various wars. When the Ashantis were fighting one of their wars, there is something in history called the Little Wars of the Ashanti. The British, it was so tough that eventually they had to bring Sir Garnet Wolseley from Sierra Leone. He was the general. And the war he fought is called the Sacramento War, Sir Garnet Wolseley War. Now, one of the companies in the military, you have a battalion. The battalion is divided into companies. The company, you have platoon. There was a Yoruba company which fought on the side of the British against the Ashanti. It is recorded. Now, let's go back to Chief Brahma. Chief Brahma came, he wasn't the chief. They called him in the archival documents Brahma Butcher. And then along the line, the legendary King Takitaya decided that no, this man, given his prowess, given his respect, given his wealth, let me make him the head of the Mohammedan community. Not the head of the Yoruba community, but head of the Mohammedan community in Accra, the colony of Accra, the Accra colony. Now, when he made that pronouncement, it didn't take long, and death laid its icy hands on King Takitawia. King Takitawia died before the coronation of Chief Brahma I. And so, as Asafuache, Kojo made good the word of King Takitawia by making him the head of the Mohammedan community. Please let us take note of this. He wasn't chief or head of the Yorubas, he was head of the Mohammedan community, as the British referred to the Islamic community in Accra at the time. And around that time, Accra Muslims were about 1,500. Unfortunately, when Chief Brahma became head of the Yorubas in Accra, problems cropped up. The other ethnic groups, like the Fulani and the Hausas, started giving him problems. They said they were not going to give him that recognition. And so, it turned out that the then acting governor in 1909, Major Herbert Bryan, called the members, the head of the Muslim community, to the Christian Board Council, which is government house. to deliberate on the issue. Eventually, he asked them to vote, and most of them were on the side of Chief Brahma. So he told them that, look, there is nothing you can do. Chief Brahma must continue as the head of the Mohammedan community in Accra. This is a summary of it, but you see, unity was not existent at the time. So in 1915, there was a problem at the place we call today Rollins Park. That mosque which was there was turned into a bedlam. They were fighting over it, and then the British governor at the time decided to shut it. So for about 6 years, there was no Jummah prayer at the place. Imam Tulata Borno was brought from Cape Coast to come and lead prayers in Accra. He didn't keep long on that decision and decided that he wanted to go back to Nigeria, Borno, and he did leave. But eventually the mosque was open. But before it was open, the British governor asked that every item in the mosque must be removed, including the coffin, which was used to bury Muslims, because it even belonged to Chief Brahma the First. Now, YORUBA'S have contributed a lot to the development of this country, and we have to be thankful and the magnanimity of the Gan host. Chief Brahma the First married into the Gan community a woman called Fatima Opedo from the Tabon group, those who were brought down from Brazil. Now, so when you go to Brazil House today, at a place called Ishogono, you have people there who have relationship with Chief Brahma's children. It is an interesting story. It is long, but let us all learn this little bit of history so that we can impart it to our children. I mean, if you don't know your history, that is where you have problems wherever you live. In every country, there are people who are part of the society, but whose ancestors migrated from elsewhere. Today in Accra, when you go to the General Post Office, part of the General Post Office belonged to Chief Brahma the First until the British decided to buy it in the public interest. As a result of which sale, the Brahma family decided to buy a place at Okanshi, which is now the headquarters of the Brahma way. I don't know where I've been success. If you want me to continue, I can. When you go to Kumasi today, the YORUBA'S in Kumasi are part of the system in Kumasi. They have been there for long. I'm talking about families like the El Alawa family and others. When the Santisango is not around, it is the Yoruba chief who takes over the management of the Zungu in Kumasi. Ladies and gentlemen, the history of the Yorubas in this country is checked. They are part of this society. In fact, some of them have headed. In fact, a Yoruba man was once the chief of the defense staff in this country, but he is a Yoruba soldier. He was born here, his father migrated to this place. A Yoruba man was Director General of the Ghana Education Center. A Yoruba man was once an Air Vice Marshal in the Ghana Air Force. A Yoruba man was a neurosurgeon at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital. I mean, thank you very much.